Hey guys, welcome to another BIM Everyday tutorial, and today I'm just going to talk about 0 points and coordinates. So here I have my simple project, and all I have here is a column that's dimensioned from the property line and then a coordinate. And in our office, and most likely a lot of other offices, we have the 0 point at the lower left corner of the property line. So when I dimension it off the property line, I get 12.4 and 11.10. However, when I place a spot coordinate by going to annotate spot coordinate and I click this corner, you can see that this number is significantly larger than the dimensions. And the reason for that is that the number, or the spot coordinate, is going off of this survey point here. So the way to fix it, or let's say the best way to fix it, is to think about where your 0 point is before you even start drawing. So ideally you want to place your property line or whatever you want to be the 0 point on the survey point here. The reason for that is so that the project base point or the survey point is the 0 point. But let's say we didn't know about that 0 point, or we didn't know how big the building was going to be, and we're sort of stuck out here away from the 0 point. Easiest thing to do is to select the survey point. So just do a window selection, go to filter and select the survey point. And as long as this paperclip is, well, I don't know, either clipped or not clipped, but let's just say there's no line in it, right? And I drag it, you could see that the numbers here are changing. And what I'm doing is I'm relocating the survey point. If I unclip it and then move it, you can see that now this location is changing, and then this number is staying the same. The reason for that is all I'm doing is just moving this location or this marker away from the survey point. So to fix that, just type in 0 again, hit enter, and press the paperclip. Go to the move and move this to the 0 point. And now you can see that it changed. But now when I select the project base point, you can see here that these numbers are now -17 and -49. This represents how far away the project base point is from the survey point. And if I select the spot coordinate and go to edit type, and I scroll down a little bit, I'll see here that the coordinate origin is based off of the survey point. So if I select this and change it to project base point, hit apply, you can see that the numbers jumped back to being based off of this point. So if I hit OK, I select this, and when I move it with no line in the paperclip here, or let's say it's clipped, and I drag this, you can see that the entire project is moving. So this one is sort of the opposite of the survey point, where you want to just undo that, select the project base point again, unclip it, and just type in 0. 0 for north-south and 0 for east-west. Now you can see that these numbers again are back to normal. Then if I select the spot coordinate again, go to edit type, go to the coordinate origin, the last sort of origin is a relative origin. If I pick that and hit OK, you can see that the numbers again went back. The reason for that is that whenever you start a Revit file, there's always this magic 0 point that's somewhere here. And assuming you haven't moved these two objects, the internal 0 point and the survey point and the project base point are all in the same spot. The only difference with the internal 0 point is that you can never move it, and there's really no indication of where it is. The only other way to find it is if I select the project base point and make sure there's no, make sure it's slashed. Right click and go to move to startup location, you can see if the project base point jumped back to this point. You really don't have to worry about the internal project base point as long as these two objects are where you want them to be and your spot coordinate system is based off of either the project base point or the survey point. And I hope that sort of clears up the coordinate system. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.